Look at this, boys and girls. Look at this silliness. Oh!
Hello one and all, welcome to Seeing Through Glass. Welcome to central London in July. Now, if you're not familiar with the automotive social media scene here in the UK, you may not be aware that summer in London tends to be supercar heaven. Now, I haven't really been out and about spotting yet this year. Wow, that's a punchy thing to say, isn't it, in July? But that's true. This year, I haven't really been out and about spotting in central London. So I thought today was a good day to do so because it is 30 degrees, DB11 already. And I just feel like it's a good vibe, a good supercar vibe today. So today I will be doing a POVlog. And just a reminder for any new viewers, what a POVlog is me driving around, filming everything point of view, describing what I see, trying to find supercars, and hopefully just having a good old time. So yes, here we are, Sloane Street, let's crack on.
Oh, look at that. Look at those fog lights on the Mini. That's awesome. Oh, and another green RS5. Oh, I like that one a lot. That is I'm really liking that new shape RS5. I need to drive one, and in green. Hello! Just do another quick lap. Gold Evoque. God, the square is turning out to be good. Now, guys, could you stop Snapchatting and actually move out the way? Yeah, thank you. Thanks for noticing. I mean, this is a big problem with cyclists in London. I'm actually going to toot. What, I mean... Matey boy. Thank you very much. 488 there, but... That was outrageous. They could not have cared less that I was there. Clio V6. Now that is banging. That is banging like that. Oh, and a Bentley GT3R. I'm actually struggling to keep up with what I'm seeing right now. Usually POVlogs take me a few hours to film and I piece together the best bits, but we are 5 minutes in and I've basically done a one take and seen about 30 cars. This is a good sign, people. I'm enjoying this. Now we've got a standard G-Wagon parked here, but look at that Brabus. What is that? Another Bentley there, but what is that Brabus? That is nuts. And we're now going to T-bone a very nice Miami blue Boxster S. Look at that. Porsche crew! Yes, lad! Nice AMG GTC. They are so popular, those things. I see them everywhere, and to be fair, actually, I did drive one in Scotland not so long ago, and I did really enjoy it. Oh, ambulance on the move, let's hope everyone's alright. But yeah, AMG GTCs, bit of a mouthful, but yeah, apparently very, very good. I mean, I can't return to London spotting, even if it's for one day only, without doing a bit of a Harrods lap, can I? So here we are, the iconic spotting location, I guess you'd call it. Yeah, probably. The Harrods lap. So we're going to cut right through here. It's a very narrow little street, but you do sometimes find some gems parked up, people going shopping in Harrods. But first of all, check out this chrome mini convertible. John Cooper works! What? Go on, lads. Yes. You rock that look. It's bold, but they don't care. So, Harrods, what have you got to offer? Been a while, my old friend. Anything? Oh, good lord. I mean, that is a joke. We got a Veyron, people. We have a Veyron. I mean, that was... I mean, yep. Speechless. Speechless, Harrods, you have delivered. I've been away for a while, but you have just delivered with a Veyron. Just trying to make sure I don't crash right here now, but that was outrageous. I feel like I almost need to do another lap. Out of nowhere. I don't know if you can see this, but we've got a black Speciale coming up behind us. Oh, he's going to turn off. Oh, that's a 488 Spider going the other way, but look at this. That is lovely jubbly. That is very nice indeed. Wow, all blacked out. Feel a little bit insuperior now. Inferior, not insuperior. I have just received a tip-off that a LaFerrari is parked up, or it was parked up just off the King's Road, which is where we are now. And is it still going to be here? Was it this street? Yes! It's here! Oh my god! Yes! Yes, this is amazing! What are those? RS6 and... But look at this, boys and girls! Look at this silliness! Oh, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna park up and I'm gonna get out, because that is just... Oh my god! Oh my god! Where can I park? Here. I'm not sure there are many other places in the world where you would find a street parked LaFerrari. This is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, I have to say it's not parked very well, but if I owned this car, I think I would stay this far away from the curb too. Absolutely stunning. It's the classic resale red with the black roof, but we've got the silver wheels, which I quite like, and look, tan interior. That is quite rare. You don't see too many with the tan interiors, but yeah, this is just absolutely silly, the fact it is laying around here. So cool. I feel like my POVlog is done and won. Beautiful. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to be a LaFerrari. I mean, I've seen a Veyron as well. I forgot I'd seen the Veyron, but I haven't actually been to Mayfair yet, and London's not all about Knightsbridge and Chelsea. A lot of the cars hang out in Mayfair, so I reckon we're going to do a quick lap there, see what's going on before we call it a day. But yeah, street park LaFerrari, only in London. Got a 488 coupe, popular all over the world, and no way is this that Lotus 311 thing. Is that what it's called? What's it called, people? Help me. That's that, yeah, 311. That is nuts. That is mental. Open cockpit, I love that. And then we got a 599. Wow, that 311 Lotus, that is cool. Oh, we've got a lot of people here. GT2 RS, Weissach, it looks like. And it looks like a Huracan. But let's see, I'm going to do a left turn. But yeah, there seems to be some kind of event, I think, some kind of party taking place. But that GT2 RS is very nice. And that Huracan Spider is in that lovely blue. So yes, Mayfair. Dorchester might have almost let you down, but you are now stepping up to the party. Can you see in my mirror? Oh, I'm going to do a lap. I'm going to do a lap because there is a Mansory 720S which I've seen on Instagram, and it literally just pulled out behind me, and I really wanted to see it today because it just looked a bit wacky. And I've got to applaud anyone that wants to chop up a McLaren. Yes, there it is. Look at this thing. This is wild and wacky, I tell you. I mean, I'm gonna put my window down and all. It's got like it's got all the carbon, the sort of chiseled carbon. It's got lime green details. It's got English flags on it, which I quite like. But yeah, what blue interior? Could you see that? Wow, that thing is crazy. I had a whole lot of people staring at me. I felt a little bit self-conscious there, so I've moved on very quickly. But what an absolutely nuts creation. The Mansory 720S. I think I might have seen that on the stand at the Geneva Motor Show and thought, will anyone ever actually buy that? And someone's done it, and bravo. The blue interior was punchy. I really hope that showed up on camera. If I was a braver human being, I would have pulled over and got some better shots, but as I say, I got a little bit self-conscious. Oh, here she is, Bella the Bull, getting out, ready for her night out with Gustav. Look at that legend. He is one suave mother chucker. Come on, my dear, we'll go to the opening of Gucci. So I shouldn't put that accent on, that's very stereotypical of me, but they are what I like to call a power couple. Coming towards the end of our Mayfair lap, I've got an AMG GTS, or GT I think. Just going to check in front of this hotel. Oh, it looks like we've got an Aventador, or maybe an SV. It's worth doing a lap, but yeah, there's the AMG. Oh, it's an R8 Spider. That's what I was missing. And it is an Aventador SV Roadster. That's quite a nice little combo there. And a Bentayga that looks like it's got some kind of body kit on it. So many Bentaygas around the world. Why are people so rich? The most expensive SUV that I can think of, actually probably bar the Urus. And yet they're just everywhere. Wow, wow, wow. What? And he was checking out this car. What just happened? That was a Carrera GT. I have no idea who that owner was. And he was peering out of his window to check out the green beast. Hashtag make green great again. I mean, that was... kind of wish he'd floored it a bit, because we always wanted to hear the bit of the noise, don't we, from the Carrera GT? It's half the appeal. Well, no, probably quarter of the appeal, but anyway. That was nuts. What just, I mean, oh, today.
It is 6:30 p.m. I decided to film this video at 4 p.m. And I have to say, I'm really pleased I made that decision, because we have seen a Veyron, a LaFerrari, a Carrera GT, a Mansory 720S, and a whole ton of other juicy bits. And this has been an awesome day out and about. The London supercar scene continues to be one of the best in the world. Absolutely amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the return of the POVlog. Give it a thumbs up if you have, and make sure to subscribe for plenty more videos to come.